find all the stuff we've lost.
Oh, you need oh, some. Oh, wait. No, okay. Promise it will not move.
Next is charge controller. Right. Just need to undo some screws, pull some wires out. Alright. I have to make sure these wires do not touch those wires. Everything else doesn't matter. Oh, square drive! Oh, fiduciary! Oh, come on, square drive, what you gonna do? Oh! Yes, this should have a square drive in it. Alright, come on. Oh. There we go. Okay, let's put the covers back on so we don't lose them. Alright, inverter. I think it's just 2 screws to take off. Pull the wires out of there. They're connected to nothing, so I don't have to worry about electrocuting anything or melting stuff. And then there's some wires. Ah, yes, right. That's my 24-volt DC connections right there. Making a mess, making a mess. Alright, I think I have everything. Alright, I got my solar panels up there, all over the place. And those connect to the charge controller, which connects to the batteries, which connect to the inverter. And then I can plug stuff in. Well, that doesn't actually have plugs, it just have the wires that go. Maybe I should get my plug thing, yeah. Ah, yes, let's take this guy with us. It's already got the wires connected and everything. Everything. Alright, and like everything else, keep the covers and screws on it so I don't lose anything. I know this probably seems like a step that takes extra time because I'm just putting this on, then I'm just going to take it back off when I get over there. But the amount of time this ends up saving from not losing one screw that takes like an hour to find or replace, man, I'd rather just do this. Yeah, I'll take my trusty this too. Okay, I think I'm ready. Just need to go up there. Get in the edge here. Through. Tide's getting low. And most of the way there. I almost got stuck back there though, because it's a really low tide. Like normally, this is all underwater. Hopefully it'll be higher tide later when I go get the refrigerators. Oh, I just need a minute to rest. I definitely got my leg exercise for the day doing that. Hey Jaimie, why don't you just dig the canal out deeper? Oh, you're right. Beep beep. Zoop zoop. Oh, there it's done. Look, it's all deeper now. Ah, let's go get some more leg exercise. Alright. I need to not break off the edge of the wharf while I do this. Nice not having that bar right now. Oh, you want to know how the batteries work?
Yeah.
Alright. Get out of there! Alright, now lots of wires. Lots of wires. Some of them are already here. Ho ho! 690 watts coming in, and it's pretty cloudy. Alright. So I have all my solar panels wires coming in here. The solar panel negatives go to there. The solar panel positives go to there. I know that because it says right under them where they go. And then the battery positive goes here and the battery negative goes there. I know that because it says right under where the wires are. And then, let's see. Oh yeah. And the batteries are all connected in series. The positive over here and the negative over here. And these are the charging wires coming down from the charge controller we were just looking at. And then I've got two other wires coming up. This is a positive and a negative coming into the inverter. And there's two big nuts here, and one is red and one is black. And the red one is the positive and the black one's the negative. And then up here it says AC neutral, plug that wire there. AC hot, plug that wire there, and the ground. So I plug those wires in, and they're all wired into this thing, and this should work now. Do we have something to plug in? All right, all I've got on me at the moment is this thing. This will charge my walkie-talkie.
Okay, good job, big girl.
Ooh, it's working. Very exciting. Ooh, I can leave my walkie-talkie here. Nice. Oh, that's a good setup right there. Man, I did a good job. It's in the dark. Oh, there we go. The camera was just thinking it was dark. Oh, nice work.
Nice work.
Some wires coming in with electricity, charging up the thing. Oh, that is so sexy. So back here, there's food storage. A freezer is going to go back here, I think. And over here is kitchen area stuff. And the little island that doesn't have the top and the stuff yet. And then here, I think there's going to be a refrigerator here, and then there's all the stuff. And here's the water that currently works, because the water tank level is, I don't know, somewhere around here. So this works pretty well, but I need to get some more water for the sink to work. And here are my sandals. Oh, those are going to be so good. I do still have a ground wire to connect in here, one from there, which I didn't do anything with before because we were on a boat. But now that we're actually on the ground, I can run wires, I don't know, through a hole into the ground or something. And I also want to put in a few breakers, like a switch here to disconnect the batteries, and I don't know, a couple things. But that's not necessary for it to work, so I can just go get the refrigerators in here right now, and then worry about that other stuff later. Alright, I guess I should really test the electricity for a second to make sure it's really, really working. Oh! Well, that seems to start up way smoother than on my other inverter, which barely has enough power for that. Whoa, that is so low tide right now. I hope I can even get that stinking floating dock out of there. Refrigerator's humming. Freezer's doing its thing. I just barbarian carried those over here. And now the hardest thing is getting this stinking mattress up the stairs. Alright, get the forceps and pull. I'm pushing. Can you lift the front part right where you are? Ah, there you go. A little more. Oh, there you go. Now the girls are in their own house. Nice. Oh, I guess the tide's coming back in. Look at this mess. I guess got boats all over the place. Hey, chicken! Go home! Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away! Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away! Yeah, back home! Keep going, keep going! Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away! Looks like a tornado just ripped through the kitchen. Alright, let's get this cleaned up. I found a bunch of popcorn kernels in the bottom of the freezer. It sounds like they still work. We haven't had popcorn in a few months because we were like, no, let's not use money on that because it's kind of a silly thing. It's kind of a fun, silly thing. Oh, house all to myself. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Tonight I'm gonna play video games with the sound on.